Right, hey guys, I wasn't going to make this video, but there have been people that have been pissing me off. These people have been people that make shit noises, like, they piss me off, and I've had enough of it, really. Two people in particular. Initials are CJ and ND. You can figure that one out for yourselves. I'm just sick of it. Alright, I don't know what to do about it. One more thing. That Scottish bloke that I said I was going to make a video on deleted his channel. Must have been scared that I was going to roast him. Oh, fuck off. Why did I say that? Those words are so cringy. Roast, savage, lit. Oh, no. And there's one other thing. Our whole school dabbed. Oh, my God. That's the worst thing I've ever seen. And then one kid even had the audacity to do a Hitler tash. I mean, I'm not sensitive about things, and that doesn't really affect me, but why? It's not even funny. I mean, I find a lot of things funny. I'm a pretty fun guy. But, well, I just, no, Hitler tash, it's not even like meme-y. As in, I don't mean meme, I mean meme with a Y on the end, if you didn't understand that, because you're mentally hilarious. Only a few people know what that means. All you people that didn't understand, you are mentally hilarious. And there's just one more thing, but it's going to take me a while to explain. Because I've got a message off someone saying Irish people are worse than Scottish people. Right, so Scottish people deep fry everything. Irish people, they drink. What legends. Lads! Oh my God, what have I done? What have I done? I've got to make this video to 10-minute mark. No, I'm not. I don't get ad revenue. Yeah, but Irish people, way better than Scottish. Scottish people eat haggis. It's, you know, a bit shit, isn't it? Irish people, like I said, we drink. We got the best accents in the world. Most Irish people have amazing beards. Most Scottish people are ginger. I mean, that's another thing we're going to talk about today, gingers. They're just a disgrace to society. But I guess I can't be saying that, because even though my hair is black, I found one ginger hair a couple of weeks ago, and I wanted to die. I was feeling like I was losing my soul already. I was becoming a ninja, because, you know, ginger ninja. Oh, shit. And I just wanted to die. And it was horrible. Worst experience of my life. There was one time where my hand got slammed in a car door. Like, car doors, like, boom. That hurt, but that's not as bad. The time I fell out a tree climbing it, then fell out and sprained my ankle. I've got inverted shin bones, by the way, if you didn't know that. Something about me. And I'm very ill at the minute, as you can tell by the way I'm talking. And I'm sniffling all the time. I am going to die. I feel like I'm dying. Maybe it's because I've got gingeritis or something. Well, that's it. Comment below what you want me to make videos on. I can do rants. I can talk about controversial topics. And no, I didn't get in a fight. That's why my lips bleeding. That's not the reason. And if you want me to do rants, tell me what you want me to make them on. And it could be a person, could be anything really, whatever you want. It's your channel as well. You decide what I make, except from when you don't comment anything, because all you dickheads put in first. Wow, there's like 50 people. It's not exactly a big achievement. What do I get, like 50 views a video? Maybe even 30? Do you want a medal? Oh, you got first comment. Wow. And then Nathan Davis, who put my content is bare dry and my schedule is sloppy. Well, schedule, sloppy, yes, my schedule is awful. And it's horrendous. But my content bear dry. Bear dry. Bear? What, is a grizzly going to come up to me? It's going to put water on me and say, oh, you're dry. You were dry, let me put some water on you. No, it's not. I know he spelt it B-A-R-E, but people who use like stuff like that, why are they even alive? Why were they born? And people who still listen to Man's Not Hot. Like, you fuck off. You pricks. That was dead before it was released. And people ran it into the ground straight away. Quick maths. Wow. There's something called a calculator. And then it's just horrendous, isn't it? And everybody goes, it's just stupid. People who talk like that just need to die. We live in England. Well, I'm guessing all of my subscribers and viewers live in England, except for my German cousins. This doesn't really apply to them. Speak the English language like it's meant to be spoken. Not going, yo, what's up? You say, hello, how are you today, and what have you been doing recently? Just speak normally. Don't be a dickhead. The Tingo Skura. Oh, what's that about? Pop, pop, pop. Whoa, let's make some gun sounds. That's really cool, isn't it? Because I love death. You know, because I'm a proper gangster. He went on. He's been on like loads of stuff, and he even had a maths competition with someone. A grime artist, can you even call him? A rapper? A rapper or grime artist went on a maths competition with someone. I know it's a talk show. They did a maths competition because of one joke that was ran into the ground. No, I can't deal with it anymore. It's just all so stupid and someone's typing. Oh, fuck off. Yeah. It's just useless. I mean, what is the point? I mean, and then people... And then this Ugandan Knuckles, yeah, that was quite funny, been ran into the ground. Like every other meme. Harambe, that was a bit shit, wasn't it? Who cares? In my opinion, you should have shot the kid. Actually, no. Anything to do with that meme should be just wiped off. Ugh, it's just horrendous. It is horrendous. And that boy, a while ago, but that was alright, ran into the ground yet again. And, on FIFA this year, my sister packs Hazard. Who do I pack? Con Dog Beer. Con Dog Beer. Earlier on the year, I packed one to watch Salah, so I'm 300k. I'm now on 931 coins with 2 shit teams. One BBVA, my most expensive player, is Gamero. And don't you love it when your players don't run for the ball? I just fucking love it. On FIFA 16, I packed a legend. 1.8 million for it. I made an amazing BPL. 800k that cost. I spent 1 million coins on packs and got Diego Costa. And in form Eric Lamela. Then I sold my team. And with that 800k open more packs. Did I get? No one. Enter drafts, got no one. I do play the single player draft because I'm cool. But it's just stupid. This whole thing is just stupid. And people with shit names on Ultimate Team like Into Your Nan. You know, that was funny 5 years ago. Get over it. So, I'm probably bringing this video to a close. About 10 minutes. 15 more seconds. Don't get ads, so don't moan at me that I'm in it for the money. I'm not in it for the money. I don't get paid. Imagine if I got paid. I'd go mad. Right. So we've just hit the 10-minute mark. This will be my longest video I've ever recorded. And frankly, I've been talking about way too much stuff this video that I need to talk about. And there's one thing more. If you play Forza Horizon 3 and you do the Goliath race, my mate did it for 10 whole fucking laps. 10 whole laps. 10 laps. He was there for about 2.5 hours. I want to see if any of you can do it for 50 laps. Or more. There's one more thing. I'm bored on career mode and Ultimate Team. So I was thinking, comment down below you want me to do a career mode with. I'm not going to post it. This is for my enjoyment. But comment down below. No, and I'm not doing Lincoln because I despise them. I've already got one with Mansfield. I've already got one with Everton. I've already got one with Spurs. I've already doing a player career mode while I'm at Burnley. But I'll promise you this. If I get any transfer offers for my player career mode, and I'll create a poll on my Twitter or my Instagram, and I want you to decide who I go to. Right, so this is going on to 11 minutes. It's longer than I expected. Maybe I'll get it to 20 minutes. Just joking. I'm not sad. And there's one more thing that we've got to talk about. Edfluence. That Jake Paul thing. £7 to get the roadmap, then it's something like 50 quid to get even more stuff for the roadmap, and it's just about how to be a YouTuber. You've got the deal maker, who is Nick Crompton, who got famous off one shitty line in a song. There's the Amanda Cerny, who's the comedy influencer. Right, the comedy. If you type in Amanda Cerny on Facebook, her videos are clickbait. She's trying to show off her arse. The video's just not very funny, really. And there's one about a foreign guy, can't really understand English, and he asks for soap, but calls it soup. So she goes, soup? Then he goes, okay, then she brings him a bowl of soup, and what does he do? Puts all over his body. I mean, that is comedy at its finest, isn't it? I mean, I make videos and apparently people are creasing at them, but I'll never get to that level. Taking the piss out of foreigners and how they don't understand us. It's just something going to happen, is it? I can't get to that level. No one can. That level of comedy. I mean, I went to see, if you watch The Chase, I went to see The Cinnamon recently, a comedy show, and he was funny. But we'll never get to Amanda Cerny's level. I'm going to see, I can't remember his name now, but this guy's on Britain's Got Talent, some black not American, African guy. Got there in the end. Could be one of them, I don't judge. Actually, I think he's English. Or whatever, I'm rambling. I'm going to see him, but he will never get to that level of comedy that Amanda Cerny is at the minute, because she is fucking funny! Fucking hell, she's fucking dreadful, she is. Right, I'll see you guys later. Oh, fucking hell. I'm off. See you later.